Hello everyone. You are probably already conversing with your Claw. However, if you are an ChatGPT subscriber, instead of using an OpenAI API key, OpenClaw does allow you to use your ChatGPT subscription. The advantage with using that path is you get higher limits. So let's see how you can do that. To begin with, go to your chat window and let's see what OpenClaw says about the connection. What is your current model and API connection? So here it says that the current model being used is GPT 5.4 and the API key is from the OpenAI API key. Let's see how we can switch this to a ChatGPT subscription. In your Docker manager on the Hostinger panel, where you see the OpenClaw container, under the access column, click on the terminal icon. What this is doing is taking you into the Docker container where OpenClaw is running. We need to run some steps there. First, you're going to run OpenClaw models auth login -- provider OpenAI codecs. Hit enter. You see two options for authentication: ChatGPT OAuth, which is the browser sign-in, or import codecs CLI login. We're going to go the ChatGPT OAuth route, so hit enter. Copy the URL that you see here and paste it in a browser window where you have your ChatGPT subscription enabled. You will see a screen where it asks you to sign in with codecs with ChatGPT. Hit continue. You will see a URL with a broken page. However, what you need is this URL. So copy the full URL. Go back into your Docker container shell, paste the full URL, and hit enter. So here you see that a new auth profile OpenAI codecs has been added. Next, run the command OpenClaw models set OpenAI codecs GPT 5.4 codecs. Alright, so now it says the default model is OpenAI codecs GPT 5.4 codecs. Once you have your default model set, we need to restart the gateway. So go back to chat window and say restart the gateway. Give it a few seconds. If after a few seconds, if the gateway is still not connected, go back to your Docker manager. Under the OpenClaw container, click the three dots and hit restart. After a couple of minutes, click open and enter your gateway token. Let's try to open a new session. There you go. Now you see on the top the model has been switched to GPT-5 port for codecs. Now we can ask, what is the model and connection being used? The model is set to the codecs model and the connection is set to my ChatGPT account. We understand that this is kind of janky, but using the ChatGPT subscription will allow you to use fewer tokens and it's going to be cheaper for you in the long run. This is optional for you, so give this a shot if you're interested.